hey lady, cause life is moving on. I can deny you, now you are gone. This is the first time that I made it through. Without you now, do the things I used to do. It's getting harder to ease the pain. The feeling changes, love still remains. I don't know how, if I can get this right.